Why do beginners and side hustlers struggle to find profitable domains? For many, it's not just about buying a domain name. It's the frustration of wasting money on domains that never sell, or feeling stuck with renewals that drain their budget. The real problem? It's not what you think. Domain flipping is a data-driven game, but most people rely on guesswork. They end up buying the wrong domains, pricing randomly, and failing to sell anything. This keeps them stuck without results. Common solutions just don't cut it. They often ignore the real cause. Guessing leads to more losses. And trying to learn everything alone can make it even worse. But there's a better way. Imagine using AI to guide your flips. With AIFlipDomains, you get real sales data. It finds high-demand domains, scores them, and estimates resale value. No more guesswork, just a clear system. Just ask Sarah, who said, "The AI value score saved me from buying domains that wouldn't sell. One already has a buyer." Or Mike, who listed 8 domains and got his first offer in just 2 weeks. With AIFlipDomains, users buy smarter domains, sell faster on real marketplaces, and maximize profits with AI-guided decisions. Ready to flip domains like a pro? Click below to discover how we achieve consistent profits with AIFlipDomains, the AI-powered domain flipping system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that link to get started with AIFlipDomains today.